rain or shine, Flintshire County Council's crews collect recycling from over 68,000 properties throughout the county. Each wagon can take 6 different types of recycling, split into separate compartments. Glass, plastic, food waste, household batteries, paper and cardboard. All of the collected recycling is taken to one of the council's waste transfer stations, where up to 16 wagons empty their loads 2 or 3 times a day. Here, bags of food are offloaded into covered skips, which are then sent to an anaerobic digestion plant to make electricity and soil nutrients. Paper and cardboard is discharged into bays to be sent to a processing plant to make new paper and cardboard products. Glass is bulked before being sent to a glass treatment plant where it is made into new bottles and jars. Tons and tons of plastic containers and tin cans come into the transfer station. They are picked up and placed into a hopper, which feeds a picking line where contamination is removed, and then the materials are sorted. Plastic, steel and aluminium cans are then separated, crushed and compressed into individual bales, ready to be turned into more new products. With our residents' support, Flintshire recycles 70% of the waste collected, which makes us one of the top performing authorities in Wales. But we can all do more.